Hey! Okay. We are going to watch this, Two Girls, One Cup thingy, right? Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of reactions. It doesn't look very pretty. But we're going to watch it, and you can see our reactions.
If I find it.
If she can find the videos, because you didn't spell it right. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to share our reactions, and we saw videos of people puking. Hopefully we're not going to do that, because this is, once again, my room. Yeah? Okay.
Okay.
So, here we go. Kind of thing. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. Okay, hello. Hello. Okay, wait. Can Oh. What the? Oh. Ew. Oh my God. Ew. Oh. Ew. Why would people do that? Okay, that was disgusting. Like, okay, that's like, why do people do?